Just subscribe the button and click the bell icon and go to the and just click the link below for everything.
Hello friend, in this video I will show you how to lock your Facebook profile. There are many friends of you who like lock their profile and their post cannot show you. Okay, for example, if you want to lock your profile, what can you do? I will show the simplest methods to all of you, and you can easily follow that. My Shahid Anwar, everything is present here. You can follow my process. Okay, for this process you have to open your Facebook account. After opening your Facebook account, you have to click on this three dot button. Okay, when you click on this three dot button, you have to search the setting bar. This is the setting bar. If this is not showing in your phone, you have to come here, setting and privacy. You have to click on the setting and privacy. Okay, now when you click on the setting and privacy, you have to click here on the, this is audience and visibility. Okay, and this is the all thing which you have see. You have the click on the profile information. This is all the information which you have written. Email is only seen to you. This is okay. Now how can people contact you? Okay, so when you open this, in this you have to select all the thing. Friend of friend, you have click friend list, you friend of friend, or only me. You can change it to only me. Then email address will show to you on the end who can send you a friend request, friend of friend. Okay, so your profile will be locked. Okay, now click on the story. When you click on the story, you have to story privacy, who can see your story. When you click on the story, you have the friends. Okay, public, not public. If you click on the public, then this will show to every person, but you have click on the friend, and you can hide it from someone if you want it. Okay, now come back and you have to sharing option. Who can share your Facebook story? Allow their no, allow. If you click on the no button, no one can share your mm, stories. Okay, now come back and sharing option. This is the story option. Now come back and now click on the reels, follower and public profile. When you click here, then this shows you who can follow you. So click on the friends only, and public post comment. You can update this individual. Friend of friend, you can change it to friend of friend. And public post notification, friend of friend, and friend of friend or friends. Okay, but I don't want to change it. Okay, now come back and profile and tagging. Click on the profile and tagging. This convert into friend and other to share their post. Okay, this all will change it to click on the click into who can post on your profile, only me. Okay, who can, you can change it to friend or see more. Okay, just change it to friend profile on tagging. Now this is the very easy thing. Now your profile is being locked. Thanks for watching. If you have any question, click on the description link for more information. Thanks for watching.